This is pure RC power, and this is how I solder my bullet connectors. And just find a way to get it to hold up. Like I use this, which would be a vice grip, holding it down on something like this. I'm gonna put something underneath it so I don't burn anything. Do that. Okay, so I don't burn my boat. Alright. Now, in all bullet connectors, there's a hole. I'm gonna put a soldering gun in it. Make sure it gets really warm, which it will. And then stick your solder inside, and it'll eventually start to burn until you fill the whole thing up, which is taking a while. Okay, it's starting to get pretty warm. It's just sticking. Alright, and there it is. It's starting to fill up. You want to fill it up all the way to the top. Until it's completely full. Sorry if you can't see this. I'm trying to make it as viewable as possible. Like I said in previous videos, I don't have anyone to hold my camera for me. So I mean, this is the best I can do right now. And you just keep filling it up until it's completely full. It's almost there. And yeah, it looks quite good. Alright. And it should look something like, hold on, something like that. Completely full to the top. Some might leak out the side. Don't worry, that's not very biggy. And that should be it. And then, you know, later on, put a you know, shrink wrap on it, and it'll look something like that. Clean it up, and you know, that's how you do it. And it's the same for these two. I mean, I did these. These are the same. It's the same way for those. So, thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe. Please rate it, comment. Any questions, please ask. Thank you.